Okay, this video is for two of my students. You know who you are, Noriko and Kimie. I'm just going to read what we did in class today. Okay? I finally bought a cell phone. Finally here means yatto. Kaimashita, right? I finally bought a cell phone. Noriko's sentence was, I finally called my old boyfriend. This is an example sentence in case her husband is watching. I finally called my old boyfriend. Another joke sentence today was, I finally got divorced. I finally got divorced. I haven't seen him for 10 years. This is a new pattern. I haven't seen him for 10 years. When you want to do a ずっと続けている sentence, I haven't kakobunshi. I haven't seen him for 10 years. I haven't seen him for 10 years. Why did you, today we were talking about my new cell phone, and you asked me, why did you buy your cell phone? Why did you finally buy your cell phone? And I never answered that question, but another sentence today. I haven't had a cell phone for 3 years. 3年間もずっと持ってない. I haven't had a cell phone for 3 years. This is the first cell phone I've had in 3 years. This is the first cell phone I've had in 3 years. Today's question was, did you get a haircut? Did you get a haircut? You could also say, did you have a haircut? But usually, did you get a haircut? But in this case, haircut is meishi. Did you get a haircut? Did you get a cup of coffee? Did you get a new computer? So a haircut is like something that you received. Nanka moratta mono mitai ne. And nanna shite moratta tense is, did you get your haircut or did you have your haircut? Did you get your haircut? Did you have your haircut? Here's another sentence. How often, question. どのぐらい何々やりますか? How often do you get your nails done? How often do you get your nails done? How often do you have your nails done? Oh, I'm sorry. And the sentence we're doing first was, well, that's right. Yeah. How often? How often do you get your nails done? And the answer, about once a week. Or about once every 2 weeks. About once every 2 months. This is 2週間おきに1回, right? 2ヶ月おきに I get my nails done about once every 2 months. The next question we did was, when was the last time you went swimming? When was the last time you went swimming? And the answer, I haven't gone swimming, or I haven't been swimming for about 2 years. The next question is, how long does it take you to? How long does it take you to, or how long does it take to get to Tokyo? 自分がコントロールできるものは you. How long does it take you? 新幹線とかコントロールできないだから how long does it take to get to Tokyo? Okay? So if you take the Shinkansen, the question is, how long does it take to get to Tokyo? But if you drive to Tokyo, then how long does it take you to drive to Tokyo? Because everyone is different. I drive maybe 3 hours, Kimia drives maybe 5 hours, Noriko drives maybe 6 hours. It takes maybe 6 hours. So it takes, we had trouble with this today, it takes 3 hours, it takes 4 hours, it takes 5 hours. We did many more questions like this. How long does it take you to take a bath? How long does it take you to do laundry? How long does it take you to put on your makeup? How long does it take you to take off your makeup? How long does it take you to get your hair cut? It took me 20 minutes. Now the last sentence, you could ask me specifically, 今回のためについて聞きたいんだったら, how long did it take you to get your hair cut yesterday? とか right? How long did it take you? How long did it take you to get your haircut? Then we talked about Rome and some useful questions for Rome. For example, when you travel to Rome or when you travel anywhere. Excuse me, where is question? Excuse me, where's the bank? Excuse me, where's the supermarket? Excuse me, where can I change money? Excuse me, where can I change money? The next question is, what is Rome famous for? I think you said Rome is famous for pizza. That's interesting. What is Nagoya famous for? Nagoya is famous for tebasaki, ebi fry, and cheap people. Okay. What is Hiroshima famous for? Hiroshima is famous for the atomic dome. And Hiroshima is famous for, what is this called? Some kind of manju. Momiji manju, I think. Hiroshima is famous for this kind of manju, right? So, Hiroshima is famous for manju. Okay, excuse me, where can I buy a cameo? Excuse me, where can I buy a cameo? Maybe my husband will buy me a cameo. Now please remember easy sentence. 誰かのため何かを買うときは I bought her a present. For example, I bought her a ring. I bought him a ring. I bought him a ring. Very simple sentence. 誰かのために何かを買うときは I bought him a ring. Okay, restaurants. When you go to a restaurant, you can ask this very useful question. What do you recommend? 今日のおすすめは何ですか? What do you recommend? You can also ask, what salad do you recommend? What dessert do you recommend? What wine do you recommend? What meat do you recommend? If you like the waiter's or the waitress's answer, you can say, that sounds good, or I'll have that. Sometimes desserts are very amai, or very heavy, so we say it's very rich, very sweet, very rich. Kind of omoi, and you can also say in English it's very heavy. It's very heavy. お腹がいっぱいときは I'm full, I'm enough, no. I'm enough, no. I'm full. Or I couldn't eat another bite. I couldn't eat another bite. 一口でも食べない, right? It was too sweet, or it was so sweet, I couldn't eat even one bite. 一口でも食べられなかった, right? How much are donuts? 1 dozen donuts. I can buy 1 dozen donuts for $3.99. We looked at some pictures then, and you said, this picture makes me hungry. This picture makes me hungry. The last sentence for today is the gokai shimashita sentence. For example, wrong information. A says something, it's wrong. For example, okay, I have you down here for a reservation for one smoking room, one single smoking room. And you say, there must be a mistake. There must be a mistake. I have a reservation for a double room, no smoking, or non-smoking. So very useful in a restaurant too. If the waiter brings you something that you did not order, 注文してないものを持ってくれると, you say, there must be a mistake. I wanted a mineral water. Or, I didn't order this. I didn't order white wine. I ordered a mineral water. Okay, we're out of time, so I have to say goodbye, but thank you for watching. Please watch this video many, many times and read along with your notes at home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye.